Hey, check it out. I know it's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been a winter. But anyway, today we're going to do a little work on the 99 Jeep Cherokee XJ speaker upgrade for the back right now. I had read online that 6.5-inch speakers would work back there, so I picked up these JBLs from a well-known online manufacturer, and I also got the wiring harness with it as well. I guess, yeah, they fit. I'm working on the spare tire side. I already pulled this speaker out. I just pulled the speaker cover off, and if you haven't seen it before, it's just got these clips on it. It just pops right out. And then the little wiring harness, you know, it's kind of just like a pigtail. Pop it up and pull the speaker off. Once you do that, there are two T20 Allen screws which hold this in place, like so. And center, the holes on these are just, well, it's upside down, but you know, we're looking at 5 3/4. Center hole on this, we're looking at 6. So we've got a little something to do there. I'm sure this would be much easier if we took the spare tire out, but I'm gonna forego that. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this wiring harness, and then let the speaker dangle here for a minute. Well, get a screw, shove it up in here, and I'm gonna do the harder one first, which is this bottom one. Feed it in by hand. Get that screw started. Hope you can see most of that. Probably my arm's in the way, but I'm gonna tighten it up in there as much as we can with that. I don't know if I get my torque wrench up in there. No. Let's tighten it by hand a little bit more. As tight as we can get it. That's pretty good. Now, we're gonna have to drill into that speaker mount plastic with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Just gonna drill a hole up in there, and we're gonna put that other Torx head screw in. Right. Just make sure we're kind of lined up with where we want to be. Get that 1/8 inch drill bit. One little hole right through there. Let's see, here we go. And we're in. All right, let's pop that cover on. And these 6.5-inch speakers perfect without any other modification. All right, now we got them installed. Let's put it in here.
Just give me.
See what we can hear. See how these speakers sound.
2, 3. 1, 2.
Okay.
3. 1. A 2.
Yes.
A 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Oh, what a difference. What a difference. You're not going to believe it. You better tackle this.
Hello, it's me.
We'll see you.
I've thought about us for a long time.
And that's going to wrap it up for the rear speaker install. 6.5-inch JBLs into Manny here, 99 XJ. So until next time, we'll be seeing you.